Mr. Baldwin, would you like to say anything this morning?
Wearing a suit and with the support of wife Hilaria and their 21-month-old daughter, Alec, came face to face for the first time with the 12 men and women who will decide his fate.
How are you feeling?
Alec said nothing as he walked inside. The judge banned any video from inside the courtroom as jury selection began 2 years and 8 months after the fatal shooting in the courthouse that's just 18 miles away from the Rust set.
I need to know, how did that happen? Where did that bullet come from?
Alec faces a felony involuntary manslaughter charge in the death of cinematographer Halyna Hutchins. Armorer Hannah Gutierrez-Reed has already been convicted of the same charge.
I'm sentencing you to 18 months of incarceration at a New Mexico women's correctional facility.
During her trial with the same presiding judge, this previously unseen video from the set in New Mexico was played in court.
One more. I forgot to reload stuff. No, right away. Let's reload. Here we go.
It showed Alec firing a prop gun and asking Hannah why she didn't have more weapons at the ready.
We should have 2 guns and both was reloaded.
Alec has pleaded not guilty and insisted to George Stephanopoulos in his only sit-down interview.
Well, the trigger wasn't pulled. I didn't pull the trigger. Someone is responsible for what happened, and I can't say who that is, but I know it's not me.
Yesterday, the judge ruled his role as co-producer on the movie is not relevant in this trial.
I'm having real difficulty with the state's position that they want to show that as a producer, he didn't follow guidelines, and therefore, as an actor, Mr. Baldwin did all these things wrong, resulting in the death of Halyna Hutchins.
And that's a big win based on the way they're going to argue this case of, hey, he's the actor, he relies on everyone else around him, he shouldn't be double checking the gun.
Brian Buckmeyer is an ABC News legal analyst.
You're really trying to thread the needle here, and you're explaining to the jurors that it's not about the fact that you know Alec Baldwin, it's not even about the fact that you might have seen or heard some of the facts of the case. The question is, can you put that aside and only listen to the facts of the trial?
So the big question remains, will Alec take the stand?
I don't think it's smart for Alec Baldwin to testify, because what is he going to say to further his case? He doesn't know how live ammunition got on the set. He doesn't know how the bullets were put into the gun. So what more can he add other than being cross-examined and probably being pulled apart? And so for me, the juice isn't really worth the squeeze.
The judge has already ruled that Hannah cannot be forced to testify, saying it was obvious she did not intend to cooperate. Alec's trial is expected to last 9 days. If convicted, he faces 18 months in prison.